Hello everyone. So now I'm going to say how to find the dynamic storage of a soil moisture data using the malloc function in C. So first, our goal is to find the program reads a user-defined number of soil moisture readings and calculates their average. Next, we use the dynamic allocation like memory for the readings is allocated dynamically using malloc function based on the number n of readings the user wants to enter. Then a loop reads each soil moisture value from the user and simultaneously adds it to a running total. And then we get the sum. So then the program then prints all the entered soil moisture readings and the calculated average. Then a basic check is included to ensure memory was allocated successfully, and the statement is if readings is equal to none. So this is how we find the soil moisture data using malloc function. Thank you.